Kija Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. My mobile number is +61435205206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Now today we are going to take questions on dissolution of partnership firm. Now here we are taking theoretical question, that is, identify a situation under which court may order for dissolution of partnership firm. The situation may be when a partner has become insane or he has become lunatic or he has been mentally retarded. In that case, the court may order for dissolution of partnership firm. Now the other question is, Hanif and Jubaid were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of their capitals. On 31st March 2018, their balance sheet was as under. Creditors 1,50,000, Workmen Compensation Fund 3 lakh, General Reserve 75,000, Hanif's current account 25,000, capitals Hanif 1 lakh, Jubaid 5 lakh. Hanif 10 lakh, Jubaid 5 lakh. Therefore, their profit sharing ratio would be 10:5, that is 2:1. On asset side, bank 2 lakh, debtors 3,40,000, stock 1,50,000, furniture 4,60,000, machinery 8,20,000, Jubaid's current account 80,000. On the above date, the firm was dissolved. Debtors were realized at a discount of 5%. That is, from debtors, the company received at discount of 5%. The debtors are for 3,40,000. So 5% of that would be 3,40,000 into 5 upon 100, that is 17,000. So 3,40,000 minus 17,000, 3,23,000. Mean debtors realized 3,23,000. 50% of the stock was taken over by Hanif at 10% less than the book value. Stock is 1,50,000. 50% of that, 75,000. The stock whose worth is 75,000 taken over by Hanif at 10% less. So 75,000 minus 7,500, that is 67,500. So Hanif has taken over the stock for 67,500. We will write by, that is Hanif's capital account debit to realization 67,500. Remaining stock was sold for 65,000. The remaining stock was sold for 65,000. That is, we will write bank account debit to realization. Furniture was taken over by Jubaid for 1,35,000. So Jubaid's capital account debit to realization 1,35,000. Machinery was sold as a scrap 74,000. So bank account debit to realization 74,000, or we can club the bank also. Creditors were paid in full. Realization account debit to bank 1,50,000. Creditors are there. Expenses on realization 8,000 were paid by Hanif, since partner has paid. So realization account debit to Hanif's capital. Then we have to see the balance sheet. In balance sheet we are finding workman compensation fund 3 lakh. So we will divide between Hanif and Jubaid in the ratio of 2:1 because he has given that the profit sharing ratio is in their capitals. So workman compensation account debit 3 lakh, to Hanif's capital 2 lakh, to Jubaid's capital 1 lakh. Then we are to divide the general reserve. General reserve account debit to Hanif's capital, to Jubaid's capital. 75,000 is there, 2:1. 50,000 and 25,000. Then whatever realization profit is there or loss is there, we will, if it is profit, realization account debit to Hanif to Jubaid in the ratio of 2:1. Or if it loss is there, Hanif's capital account debit, Jubaid's capital account debit to realization. Then we have to make their capital accounts. Buy balance BD under Hanif 10 lakh, under Jubaid 5 lakh. Now two current account in Jubaid 80,000 and buy current account in Hanif 25,000. Then buy workman compensation by general reserve. Hanif has also paid for the expenses to buy realization. And he has taken over the stock for 67,500. The two realization in Hanif's capital 67,500. Then the final we will have two bank or buy bank, and then we will prepare bank account to check up whether our question is correct or not, whether our answer is correct or not. In bank account we will write to balance BD 2 lakh and whatever amount we have received, like stock realized, this stock realized 65,000, furniture realized, machinery realized 74,000. So two realization, and if it is partner, it is coming to bank by partner's capital. If it is coming by bank, to partner's capital. So in that way, both sides of the bank account must tally. Then we are coming to the next question. Identify a situation for compulsory dissolution of partnership firm. That is, when it can be made compulsory dissolution of partnership firm. That is, all the partners, when all the partners have become insolvent. What do you mean by insolvent? That no one can contribute, or they are already, their liabilities are more than their assets, and the court has declared them insolvent. In that case, the court can order for a compulsory dissolution of partnership firm. Now the other question we are taking, A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. On 31st March 2011, the balance sheet of the firm was as under. Capitals AB 3 lakh, 2 lakh, creditors 1 lakh 17,000. Building 2 lakh 40,000, furniture 1 lakh 75,000, debtors 80,000, stock 75,000, cash 47,000. The firm was dissolved on 1st April and the assets and liabilities were settled as building was taken over by creditors at their full value and final payments. Building is for 2,40,000. It has been taken over by creditors. So we will not show any sale of building or any payment to creditors because creditors have taken building in their full and final settlement. Furniture was taken over by B for cash payment at 5% less than the book value. Furniture is for 1,75,000. It has been taken over by B at 5% less. So 1,75,000 minus 5% of that, it will be taken by B to buy B's capital account debit to realization. Debtors were collected by a debt collecting agency at a cost of 5,000. It means debtors are for 80,000. 5% is the cost of debt collecting agency. So it means they have been realized for 75,000. So cash account debit to realization 75,000. Stock realized 70,500. So that is cash account debit to realization 70,500. B agreed to bear all realization expenses. For this service, B is paid 500. So realization account debit to B's capital 500. Actual expenses or realization amounted to 1,000. So B's capital account debit to cash 1,000. This will not go in realization account. This will be charged from B's capital account. So pass in a journal entry on the resolution of the firm. In this way, you will pass the journal entries. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. If you subscribe it, you will get the notifications for my new videos regularly. Thank you very much.